not lefty. I'm so funny. Ah, no, I'm full of rubbish. Anyways, are we ready for today? Oh gosh, okay. Today I low-key tilted during London, which is not ideal, but in the same breath, you know what? It is what it is. Things happen, you just roll with them punches, people. You just roll with them punches. Okay, it looks like we're now going back to midnight in Asia low. Interesting. Okay, let's mark out these highs where we basically have freaking nearly triple top going on over here. That's interesting, but cool. Oh, London low has been taken already. Cool. Hey, go have fun. What's up, Crypto Roach? How are you? Been a minute. How you doing? How's it been going? Am I ready for the opener? I've absolutely no idea. I see this, then it just went Bob. Bob. These wicks on the 1 minute are the chef's kiss. Fairy friend, what's up? How you doing? You good? What's with the little emoji? What's with the emoji? The little emoji. Is there anything else I have to mark out? No, not really. Interesting. Okay. I really thought there was more for me to mark out. Guys, I've actually literally... I may or may not...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I may or may not have crashed a little bit. When I say crash, just... So, I actually made myself another cup of coffee. Which is very weird for this time of day, but... screw it, because I'm also probably going to stay a little bit later, backtest a little bit. Let me check here. Why does this low-key look good? Low volume nodes. Oh, I know it. I can't take this trade because, you know, it's open happening soon. Damn, this trade actually looks good. Sugar honey iced tea, man. But let's see if this would have worked out. Unfortunately, I can't take it because New York hath not opened yet. I don't know why we're doing hath not and, but we're going with it. Anyways. Why is everyone being so quiet? Is everyone good? You guys make me so nervous when you're quiet. Is everyone ready for today? Has everyone else also just crashed? Is that what is happening? Oh dear. Oh dear indeed. Interesting. Sorry, I'm just having a quick look at Discord. Everyone looks like they're doing really, really well in the chat right now. Well, that was a little wiki wick that happened over there. Projection off of this low, off of that low volume node. Let's see, it's about to tap into the high volume node. Oh man, like I said, I couldn't take this trade. It actually, the first trade I've been like, this one. Let's see, maybe we get more of these today. Patience. I have to just keep reminding myself about that today. Really? Huh. That interesting. Just dropping in sacred luck for this. I'm always trading when you trade, so I watch after. Aw, Fishcat Zombie, no problem. How's it been going, Fishcat? We are marking our charts and chilling. Oh, go have fun. That is the best thing to do. Literally, the best thing to do. We also have 10 minutes to go until opening, which is just fantastic. I'm just going to turn off all the indicators for a moment. Just turn everything off. Let's see what... Woof. Live by himself all next week and doesn't swear. Fairy friend, have you... I don't swear. What's your point? Anyways. I'm afraid your strategy is not... It's just my mind that's not working, fairy friend. There's a difference. There really is a difference. The strategy is actually still pretty solid. My execution of the strategy is just not working. There's definitely a difference. Having a good year so far. Fish Cat, I'm so happy for you. That is amazing. Well done. So someone pointed out something interesting because it is not just me that's been having a rough like 3 weeks. Okay. Everyone that I've oh, I'm so sorry, my nails are disgusting today. Everyone I've spoken to has been like, these last 3 weeks have been excessively difficult. Not just on the charts, okay? Like the charts, we know there's drama and blah, blah, blah going on in the world right now. But like, just like on personal levels, like my non-trading friends have just been having such a rough 3 weeks. And then someone pointed out, I don't know if you guys are superstitious or not. Are you guys superstitious? Because someone pointed out how tomorrow is Friday the 13th. Not last week, but the week before. There was Friday the 13th as well. What? No, I'm missing some. In Feb, there was a Friday the 13th. Let me get my calendar out. Let me get my calendar. Let's double check this. Calendar. Okay, yeah, so tomorrow is Friday the 13th. Yeah, literally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. So betwixt the two Friday the 13th was basically these 3 weeks. And I'm just like, whoa. I don't know if I'm much to, you know, one that much believes in those type of things, but I thought it was interesting. I don't know if you guys realized about Friday the 13th or if you believe in that type of stuff or not. I just thought it was very interesting, and I was like, you know what? If that is true, I'm gonna start taking Friday the 13th way more seriously. Because good grief. Just good grief. Let's see here, 9:23. We've still got some time. Hey Debbie, what's up? How are we doing? I was just talking about how tomorrow is Friday the 13th, and Feb also had Friday the 13th, and these 3 weeks in between have been rough for everyone. Coincidence? I don't know. There we go. Yeah, which is wild. And like I said, the weeks in between these two Friday. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try that again. The weeks in between the two Fridays have been rough for everyone. I'm not talking just traders. I'm talking everyone. So, you know, I'm not one for superstitions and things, but it's just interesting. Anyways, Debbie, how's the trading been going? Or more like how have... Oh, there's my glasses all steamed up. How have the bots been doing, rather? We winning? We happy? We sad? Meh. We just had high impact news an hour ago. Unemployment came in about expected. Okay, Cameron, so now what do you think is going to happen? Oh my gosh, please don't say it's now just going to be chip choppy like it was yesterday after CPI. Actually, it might just be chip choppy like it was yesterday after CPI. Okay. we're just gonna have to have a looky, see how it reacts. Also, hey Cameron, how were all the trades this morning? You were like on fire with the predictions, so yeah, I'm curious about how the rest of it was. Have you also been on the charts this whole time? Did you have a break or not really? If not, I have so many questions, like how do you function like a normal human being? Asking for a friend. I'm thinking up, but I think the new 4-hour candle at 8 will give us more information. Interesting, okay. You're thinking up, I'm still kind of thinking, but why are me and you always having a conflicting... Oh, we always have conflicting views on these matters. Hey, JP. You're looking for shorts? Nice. Gold Topsies, oh, $300. Book. Santosh, what? Been on it the whole night. I'm about dead. 2 more trades at most and I'm done. Why? What? Why have you been trading so much? Are you okay? What's up? What's happening, Cameron? Sorry, I called you Cam. I hope that's okay. Is there a reason you're just like a little bit stuck on them charts or meh? Low volume node at 875. I mean, there's a low volume node right there at 850. Oh, those two are pretty good. There's also that low volume node. It kind of rejected off of this now. Well, we are still waiting. Yeah, let's say oh so patiently. It gets addicting sometimes. How many trades have you taken? Let's maybe start with that. I am Kim. What's up? What is the stream? The stream is to do with trading. How you doing? If oils goes up, expecting NQ to dump, bots are great. Deleted and for traded my name. I'm holding up table 2 weeks in a row now. Still still printing. So Debbie, out of curiosity, like, what do you do all day? Sorry, that maybe that sounds judgy. I'm just genuinely curious. What does a day in Debbie's life look like? Hey Twillo, what's up? Greetings from Honduras. Hi David, how you doing? I use techniques from... No, I'm not. Well, Perez. Who dat? Ah, did you add? Who dat? Do that. Da. Okay, sorry. 1 sip of coffee and already the crazies started. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, so interesting. Goodness, okay. I tend to send further down long-term pressure. Just my sentiment, been bearish for the entire time over these last 3 weeks. Well, frankly, Brandon, you know what? I agree. Sorry, I had to like make your whole name into a sentence there. I'm also thinking a little bit more to the bearish side, but for how long is the question? I mean, Asia low is there. It did... Interesting. It did take out Asia high. And then dump. So maybe Asia low is the target now. Target locked and loaded. Ding ding ding. Ding 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 indeed. Wait, why ding ding ding? Just that. Oh wait, it's time. Oh wait, that's what you're saying ding 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 about. Wait, here we go.
Okay, let's go.
Interesting. So, got it tapped into 50%, tapped into VWAP. Let's see what this does now. If I had this setup, like I said, this was the first setup that I low-key was like, oh, this just kind of looks good. This looks good. It's been rejecting that low volume node the whole entire time. Let's see if this works out, takes out this low. Goes to midnight open. Brandon, how have the trades been treating you, by the way? Did you make a tutorial about this stuff on YouTube? Because it's a new learning concept to me. Which stuff in general, Kim? Like, trading? Is that... Yeah? Do you mean trading? So are you a trader? Do you want to be a trader? Help me out a little bit here. Ooh. Naturally, this is gonna work out. If I plan my day, it normally ends up never going to plan, so I just see what the day brings. My days have been so much more better since I found it. Just managed to spot. That is awesome, though. Okay, Debbie. Okay, well, how about tell me what did you do today? Let's maybe do that. Hey, Vaz, what's up? Win rate? Oh, don't ask me that right now. Can I tell you what it used to be? It used to be 65%. Now I feel like it's like 20. Gosh. Why is it that sometimes I'm just so confident with some of these trades? I'm like, yeah, this is gonna work out. But, just wrong time. Like, here was New York Open. This could have so easily just absolutely demolished me if I had taken it at New York Open. But this would have been a partial. Ooh, that's not correct. There we go. Well, here's 9:30 a.m. range. So let's mark out our ranges. Let's make our life chaotic. Let's do this. So 9:30 a.m. range, done and dusted. It's probably actually gonna make me sad. I should maybe delete this. I'm gonna delete that. Let's not focus on that. Damn, Brandon. Okay, that's cool. Yep, to what? You want to be a trader? Hey, Lurk, what's up? How have you been? How's it been going? Are you amazing? What? Lurk, which pop are you with? That sucks. I'm so sorry. I mean, Lurk, as you can see, mine is on the verge of being blown. Like, literally the actual verge, but it's okay. If it does just mean that I can move over to Tradeify, which is not the worst thing. I've been wanting to do that. Oopsies. It is what it is. Just been lounging for the morning, but doing fun stuff now. Oh no. I mean, that was me earlier. I was folding earlier, and then at least I gotta go ride the horses, even though my horse tried to low-key murder me today. But it's okay. It's okay. It was fun. It was a good distraction. Oh, I'm kind of jelly. It would be nice to just lounge around. But alas, got things to do. Bob to Bob. Let's see how this closes. What does this look like on the 5-minute? I wonder if that wick on the 5-minute is the confirmation. Oh, wait. We have 14 seconds to see if this is going to be the first presented. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Boom. First presented and 5-minute candle, just like that. Okay. And now 5-minute candle just looks like so. It's basically a bob level. Okay. Struggling to break above. How does this look on ES? Ooh, okie dokie. We definitely have a little bit more buying pressure on NQ today. Let's see how it reacts. What did it bounce off of? Apart from this low volume node. Low volume node tapped into the high. These two have now aligned. Seriously, you might fail, but after a while, that's your win, and you know what it's like to be a winner. Thanks, Josh. I appreciate that. And it's true. And I appreciate it. Thank you. It's crazy though, like, how are you supposed to manage risk in these volatile times when your stop loss gets hidden under 60 seconds? How did it get hit in 60 seconds though, Lurk? That is insane. What happened? Did you accidentally, like, trade during news or something? Because 60 seconds is insanity. They're struggling to bounce off. Nice back up or something. I mean, that's not the worst idea. A monthly analysis routine and still trade as a day trader. Josh, explain if you don't mind. After you appreciate it more as you get older. Sometimes sitting in silence is worth more to me than you can imagine. Oh, I can. Oh, yeah, Debbie, I can imagine. You must just be living the best life. You lucky duck, you. Hey, Polly, what's up? Forest hobo? Maybe there's a reason. Anyways, I don't have courses, but sure. You do you. I also do not make money from YouTube. Literally. But you think whatever makes you, you know, whatever helps you sleep at night, sweetheart. No, so it's gold. Like, you'll have your stop loss below previous candle, and it happens time to time, and then it'll pop up, break, finds you into, then it pulls back. Yeah, but see, that's why gold is scary, Lurk. Damn. What kind of trading do you focus on this channel? Well, futures. So this is actually the Nasdaq futures, MNQ to be specific. So, and yeah, more scalping trading. Scalping is the way to go here. Not even close. Let's see how it's reacting here. A very good reaction off of that low volume node. Let's see if it manages to break above or not. Oh, here's a potential break. I want to break free. I got lucky with crypto. Luckily, I paid attention to it from 2010. Valid. There's no mistake in looking at higher time frames on the monthly and weekly for a daily trade. I mean, I look at the daily, Josh. So you prefer more stable positions? I guess so, yeah. Stable positions. That's one way of looking at it. Oh, I'm trying to decide if that's funny or not. Stable. Sorry, I think it's funny because I'm a horse rider, so stable. Anyways. Yeah, just like. Look, listen. It tests you, but that's why only 95% of traders make it, right? Because a lot of people can't handle the other all the tests that it throws at you. Unfortunately, for this guy, I am so stubborn. I am such a stubborn human being, or else I would not ride horses, so bring it on. That's all I'm saying. I am so stubborn, it would take so much for me to stop. Literally, if I run out of capital, you best believe I'll find a job and continue. I'm not gonna stop this. You can't make me. Although, yo, I can't imagine anything worse right now. Anyways. Back here we go. Ooh, what a nice rejection off of the freaking first presented there. Damn. Just damn. But it is completely stuck. It is literally stuck. What are we stuck between? Sure, it's stuck. Hey, from Hungary. What's up? How's it going? If you could imagine spending a year winning and both losing, you can get over the idea of being a perfect trader and make that. Josh, can you elaborate a little bit for me? Yeah, no. Yeah, that's exactly. I'll just be like, okay. Clearly, I messed up. Let's do this. That's a lot of self-work and mindset, like 10% of strategy and 90% managing yourself and sticking to your plan and keeping calm in and out of trades. The facts are real. Do you know what also really does not help? I have a very, very, very controversial way of looking at some parts of trading that I don't want to bring up just yet because I think people... Y'all will cancel me. 100%. I'm pretty sure you guys will cancel me if I told you my controversial thoughts. Just saying. But maybe one day I'll do something and then you guys can hate me. Bob to Bob. It's going Bob to Bob. What does this look like on the 5-minute? This is going Bob to Bob. I want to see if this does go Bob to Bob because in all honesty, I would low-key love to just be able to start trading Bob to Bob levels. I think that's my next goal. Sugar honey iced tea. I don't think this is gonna go as high up. Wait, is there news today before I get excited? I know there was news earlier, but is there still news happening later? Today, let's check these high volume nodes. This is very much in a low volume node. Projecting off this low. Back into the high, though I think that's just gonna bounce off of there. Yeah. Sugar honey iced tea. I think this is just gonna go straight Bob to Bob. No ways. Struggling to break below. Broke above there, couldn't break the 5-minute. Sorry. Hey, Patrick from Australia. No! Ah, it went freaking Bob to Bob perfectly. Sugar honey iced tea, and I was so sure about this one as well. Okay, I need to become a little bit more confident with these bob to bobs. That was such a beautiful bob to bob trade. That was insane. But it retested a little bit again. That would have been awesome. Back to the midnight open. I don't enter there like a deep converse with yourself, but seriously, like people. That is true. Lurk, that is true. My triple bottom, don't sell it. Don't take this short. Monte, that short would have been a freaking banger if I had taken it. Just saying. Oh well, it's fine. In my experience, you should never trade paper money because you won't take it seriously. I agree with you on that one. There's no real risk and no reward, so you don't feel the same emotions. You aren't programming the brain. I agree with you. It's why I like prop firms, specifically because then you don't blow through capital, right? And you have that real life experience, especially while you're figuring things out. Just personally, obviously I know a lot of people aren't big fans of prop firms, but you know, personally, I think that they've helped me a lot. If it weren't for them, oh, I would have just... Yeah, I would have been screwed, actually. Hi, what? Okay. There we go. Asia low taken. Nice. Okay, Asia low solidly taken in the hour. Okay. Let's see where this goes now. Where's the 15-minute candle? Has it even... Oh yeah, okay, 15-minute candle is in here. Interesting. Props help me in not overtrading, managing risk and size. Not like a lunatic on a personal account, so that helped me in the last 4 months being unfunded, but getting through those 2 phases, I know. Hello, interested in Kenya. What do you mean interested in Kenya? Okay, just took out Asia lows now. It low-key took out my 2 main points of interest. Okie dokie. So let's quickly do this. Let's quickly now look at the higher time frames. 5 minutes. Do you know any good instant funding prop firms without having to go through any challenges? I mean, yeah, Roger, Traderfy has instant funded. Does Bulonox have instant funded? Shoot. Yeah, I think they do. I know for a fact Traderfy you can go instant funded. Obviously it's a little bit more expensive, but yeah, they do have straight to funded accounts. I mean, Traderfy is very well... very well liked. I feel like that's a good way of putting it. Made 0.5 for this leg down. I'm gonna wait for the New York session now. Okie dokie, this is the New York session. What do you mean? This is literally the New York session. Okay, we've now tapped into this watermark. Let's see if it rejects slightly here. What am I doing? 1 hour. Let's see. Really? Interesting. Sorry, Deb. I'm gonna check out the indicator literally after this live. Then I'm gonna go check out all the indicators. Damn, a bunch of people have sent me a bunch of indicators, which is awesome. But I'm gonna go check it out after this. Are we winning, son? I low-key love that. Hey, Prabha, how you doing? But yes and no. A nice little bit of a confidence boost with regards to me being able to see that bob to bob, not gonna lie. Now let's not get overly... Hey, I called that. That's not how this works. It did take out Asia low, so let's see if this is going to retest properly now. There we go. Did just take out Asia low. Are we going to head back up? Tis the next question. Exactly, Lurk. Let's see, went straight back into the 5 and the 15. Tapped into the 9:30, so retested the 15-minute. Whoa, look at how much it freaking pumped on ES. Damn, okay. Looks like it's about to tap back into VWAP on ES. Do you think that this is a V-shaped correction? I know it's on the 1 minute, it's a bit difficult to tell, but let's see how it reacts here. Let's see how it reacts. Look, I am and I'm not. I don't know if that makes any sense. Let's look back on the 5 minute. Holy wick. Good grief. Okay. So I guess I have like a schedule, if you will, but I mean I have ADHD, so I'm a little all over the place, if that makes any sense. See how it reacts here. So retested up into that, broke below the 15-minute again. It's about to tap into an inverse fair value gap on ES though. Nah, look, I don't. But, you know, even party animal, like if I go out, literally I will have 3 or 4 drinks max, and that's enough. And it's not like hardcore drinks, it's literally like cider. That's enough. OTT, what's up? How you doing? OTT, I called this Bob's Bob beautifully. Did I take it though? No, but that's not the point. The point is I called it. Okay. Lightweight. I know. I am a solid lightweight. And you know what? I'm so proud of that. I will happily be a lightweight. About to create an SMT here. Double bottom? Question mark? Look, I still party and smoke. It's about discipline when it comes from home. Oh no, OTT, what happened? It's okay, I low-key tilted this morning, so me and you both. Okay, we're both just feeling amazing. Good engulfing. Like I said, I don't always trust the engulfings. This was probably a really good setup for me, but it is what it is. We'll just go up into that low volume node, I guess. QQQ. But OTT, what happened? Did you try get into a long, or? Yeah? No? Maybe? What happened? Talk to me. OTT, do you want to just blame Friday the 13th with me? I'm going with it. I'm gonna stick with blaming Friday the 13th. I feel like it's a little bit of a scapegoat. No, well. Did you take the retest? No. No, I did not. Would I even been able to? Oh, I guess I would have. Huh, interesting. Look at that. Okay. To be fair, I think that range would have been too big. And it didn't catch my eye. SMT created. Volumes kinda slowed down slightly. What does this now look like? coffee nearly went down the wrong hole. Oh, I nearly died. Okay. Ooh, interesting lurk. Sorry, the whole good night rest thing is interesting because I know so many traders that sleep terribly. Good engulfing bob to bob. Okay, back into Bob. Let's see now. How does this look here? Almost better reaction off of these smaller nodes, which is interesting. It's a good rejection point. See how this looks? How does this look on the 5 minute? Oh no. That answers how that looks on the 5 minute. Just, oh no. Does not look ideal on the 5 minute right now. Ooh, doji. Let's see if this is going to be bob to bob again. Hey! Nice! That is awesome! Hey Bob, how are you doing? For our gas low is yes, hit its gap. NQ hasn't. We could get SMT there. Ooh, interesting, Cameron. Okay. How do I have a case of FOMO? If I had a case of FOMO, I would be just jumping into everything. I am the bot. Started building a bot recently to help keep up strategy without panic selling once I commit to a trade. Not exit the trade early. Oh, that's interesting. I've never heard of that before. Whoop whoop. Bob, did you take it? Whoop whoop a Bob. There we go. Whoop whoop. Phone mine. Oh, that's because it's not an indicator on ES. There is an indicator on gold though. It's called Bob's Gold Rush on gold. We can maybe go check out gold now, but let's see. Good rejection. Let's see if it keeps rejecting off of this point. If it does, I might hop in for a buy for a little bit of a retest to the midnight. But yeah, clone mind, I'll show you now. Oh, nice. Short from 797 is a goodie. Oh, amazing. Amazing. That bob to bob. So this rejection here and then down. That's interesting. These work really well for bob to bob. Especially I see on the 5 minute here. Okay, so I found the right one for. Yay! There we go. Right. I'm not trying to call the bottom. I'm trying to call bob to bob level. There's a difference, Demonte. Good wick and just missed there. Wick in. Okay. Let's see how we go here. I mean, that's a pretty solid engulfing candle. Cheers, Lurk. Enjoy! Let's see if this reaches 714. Oh, so close. Come on. Come on. Little push. Little push. Bob to bob. Awesome. Awesome sauce. You're hopping on next time trying one of your trades out. Aw, thanks. That, okay, I don't know if that's the best idea, but yeah. Demonte, with this just huge freaking push that just happened, you still think the cells are in play? Very good bob to bob work right there. Damn, it's doing bob to bobs like a boss. Why am I not taking them today? No? No, it's fine. Decent wick. I want to see how we react here. Let's be within. Oh, it was the 10 a.m. candle. No, there wasn't news, was there? Careful, it's sweeping to. So. Bob, what do you mean? What do you mean sell side liquidity? Oh. Okay, got it, got it. Yeah, it did sweep some sell side. I know, it took out Asia low. This felt very intentional. This could actually be the pop. Let's see if it manages. They're just chapped into midnight. It's 50% retracement now. Here we go, and I want to see this reject, if we get a rejection here. Might go back into this volume imbalance. Let's see, small. Oh, actually, this might go back into the higher volume node. Interesting. See, Demonte, that would have been a straight loss. Straight up loss. That created a bit of an SMT. Ooh. Little double tap into there on MNQ on ES. Okay. Didn't take out the liquidity above though. It has not been respecting these, so it could now start to go back down. Let's see, how does this look on the 5-minute? Yeah. Yeah, good tap into the 50% on the 5-minute. But cells are still in order here. Minute. Good retest in. Start shooting back down now. Oh, okay. We've lost that massive engulfing candle, but that's okay. Low volume node, cool. Let's see how we react here. Stuck on this midnight open / stuck in this bob level. Let's see if we continue back down to the sell side. Oh no, Wi-Fi, why are we doing this? Let's see, like I said, it tapped into the 50%. Let's see if we do get some continuation back down. This is very volatile right now. You look hot when you're stressed. Oh my gosh. Thanks, I think. Thanks for, well.
Emotional damage.
Thanks. What my parents gave me when I grew up. Let's check these nodes here. Ooh. That little low volume node looks low-key juicy. I wonder. I'm so curious about this. Not quite. Let's see. Soldier Boy? What did I just read? What? What's up, by the way? How you doing? Shame, Perry accidentally... Oh, I should have actually taken a photo. Accidentally opened up my burn. Ow. That's all I can say. Just ow. I was on the horse, my arm was just bleeding, and I was just like, this is fine. This is okay. Like, it's okay now. So it is what it is. Hello. What's up, sweetie pie? Five-minute? How does this look? Loki looks like it's created literal equal highs on ES right now. Literal equal highs. No, don't worry. Hey, Bobby, what's up? Where else am I streaming? No, wait, why? Oh, sorry, I have two YouTube streams going, one vertical and one horizontal. Milomi, what's up? We want to see the dog. Bean. People want to say hi to you. They don't care about me. Let's just be real. They are here for you and you alone. Yep. Yep. Oh, give me a ball. Good boy. Other one. Yay! Good boy. Yep. Good boy. Here we go. Yay! We've got a periwinkle in the house. Bite it. Good boy. Hello. Yes, this is my desk. What do you think? That's a shell. Nothing cool. Sorry, you can't have coffee. Go. Good boy. He is the bestest. He is huge. No, he doesn't weigh as much as me. He is like at least 15 kilograms lighter than me. Let's see how this goes here. Well, he looked disappointed when you said no coffee. Oh my goodness, if you think I'm crazy on coffee... Not like he's had, listen, he does have a little bit of an adult grape juice issue. Just saying. Yeah. Yeah, you. Just kidding, he doesn't. I don't let my dog do that. But he always wants to try it, and I'm just like, no, 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 stop that. Stop, 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 stop. Bad idea, bad idea. Do not do that. Okay, we're good. And we are consolidating. We literally went Bob, Bob, then Bob, back up to Bob, and now we chill. Okay, well, while we're in this little bit of a funk, if you will, let us do fun fact of the day. Fun fact of the day. Why is everything about planets? Is March like planet month or something? Anyways, this is literally the fourth one that's to do with planets. Hello, sweetie pie. Okay. Mars has an atmosphere that is 95% carbon dioxide with only traces of oxygen, and its surface pressure is less than 1% of Earth's. I feel like majority of people knew this, but okay. We'll consider it a fun fact, I guess. Apparently it's now just planetary fun facts. Should we be sneaky and do one more fun fact? My dog tricks me. Should we be cheeky and do one more fun fact? Well, let's see. I'll put a poll up for it. I know a lot of people don't care about the fun facts, but I think they're cool. I like them fun facts. Have I opened a trade for today? Not yet on New York, son. But I did earlier. As you can see, my balance is down. That's fun. Oh, wait. Okay, we've just tapped into VWAP on ES. Took out those equal highs, tapped into VWAP. Let's see how it starts reacting here. JP nerd. Obviously I'm a nerd. Duh. It's like, it's fascinating with all these space fun facts. I'm not fat Earth, are they? Oh, cool. Want to hear something crazy? They're going to start building data centers for AI on the moon and also put them in space. No ways, Karen. Is that real? I can't tell if that's real or not. Okay. I see we are a little bit stuck. I do indeed see that we are a little bit stuck right now. For 400, damn, okay. Oh, thanks, Joseph. I appreciate that. Also, nerds are awesome. Let's just be real. $1.75 trillion. That is pure insanity right there. Absolute pure insanity. Finance bros from the world. Oh, goodness. Okay, well, oh, that's a solid rejection again. What does this look like on the 5-minute? still not out of the first hour. Decent reject. No, not quite. I'll say this is a decent rejection, but maybe not. Still struggling to go above. Do you want fun? What? Joseph? What did I just read? Classic bullish absorption. Wait for volume to dry. Too much choppiness. Multi-Myra? Yeah. Yeah, this is now low-key overexpanded itself and now it's chilling. Let's see. Let's see what it decides to do here. This is the next question. We sit and we wait. What's up, Firefox? Hi, what a weird thing to come in saying. Hey, Mr. Pix, how you doing? I'm going to wear my hat. Yo. Oh! Is it a very shiny hat? Asking, you know, just for a friend. Just, we gotta be, you know. Friends look out for each other. And whatnot. Is it a shiny hat? What? Whoopsie daisies. Bless me. Oh, temptations to kebab to bob again are real. An engulfing of that candle. Let's see. See how this closes. 9, 8, 7. Taking that out. 3, 2, 1. Intro here, stop loss above there. I don't know if I want to see it retest there though. Zoom in. 1 minute is key in MNQ. I am in 1 minute. Oh, hey Busba, thank you. Firefox, I use market auction theory mixed with some ICT and SMC confluences. Hey, Joy of Travel, what's up? Dom, again, market has opened, by the way. I know maybe not for you yet, but, well, no, market has opened. Price to go to my TP. I wish I had that control. Can you imagine if I had the control to be like, cool, listen, we need you to just start working, thanks. Damn, that would be awesome. Oh, that's okay, Dom. What's up? How you doing? Little tap there. Down we go. See movement. From Nova Scotia, Canada. What's up, Super D? How you doing? Maya the sorcerer. It's called a witch. You're a wizard, Harry. I don't know why I said wizard like that and then Harry's wizard Harry. There we go. Nailed it. Harry Potter nerd for the win. I wish we had Potter World down here. I would love to go to Potter World. That would be amazing. That is goals right there. I would have way too much fun. Let's see how this reacts off of this low volume node. It's kind of what I wanted to see how it reacted there. Could test the lows, but this seems bullish. Really? I don't know. Oh, right, JP? Looks like another listen done the day for it. OTT. Oh, let's see. My zone 0.5 was your entry for long. Oh, interesting. So, Dom, you think this is going to go long now? I mean, decent reaction off of that low volume node. That's what I was. Cannot quite off of that low volume node. Oh, off of this one, apparently. Huh, interesting. Okay. Very interest. Much wow. So it tapped into that order block. It's gonna go back up into this range zone, potentially. Let's see. You want to learn how to trade, you never understood this stuff. To be fair, a year ago, neither did I, Matt. Different feeling when it's Thursday and about to take 2 losses. No, OTT, what happened? Sorry, I'm having... You know. Entered short, 25900. Okay, Soldier Boy, so you're in for a short. They're not accepting the low value area prices, but should shake out a lot of unsure longs. Okay, 24700 is your TP. Interesting. Back up. I'm still not convinced, but let's see. Oh, even if I have to sit on my hands a little bit, like yesterday. Yesterday I sat on my hands, and that last setup that I was like, ooh, that is nice, was such a perfect setup. Like this, I'm still going, so that's not ideal. Oh, hey, Popson, what's up? I'm still trying to figure out the bob to pub. Is it like from consolidation area to another? And are you using down levels for shorts, up levels for long? Oh, clone mine. I wish I could try. You see just the zones that are marked out here? These are the bob levels. I can't give away. It's a little bit of secret sauce. Okay, it's a little secret saucy. And it ain't my secret sauce to give away. I can give it away on gold though. Kind of. Let's quickly hop onto gold. Okay. Oh! Just missed on gold. Wow. See how it sometimes tends to just want to go level to level. This just missed reaching the top there. Here it's messing around a little bit. This went level to level. Messed around slightly. But like everything, it's not 100%. You have to know what you're looking for. Like this big rejection down here and then a big push up was really, really good. Struggled to break below there. Yeah, these bob levels are pretty damn solid on gold. Checky. Yeah, and that's Bob's Gold Rush levels. It is an indicator now officially on TradingView. TP and VWAP. Nice! Kind of like the double bottom, but it was a weak doji on the 5-minute chart. It tapped into this low volume node. Struggled to break here. Would have missed tag me in, which feels rude, but it's fine. Nathaniel, what's up? What happened? Huh? I have to start cooking and testing. Check when the volume starts kicking in. Okay, so on the 5-minute as well. Let's check the 5-minute. This wick above, it's like such a good indicator that it's time. It is time. Okay. What did I do? That would have missed tagging me in and then gone down. Rude. Whatever. What's up, Baron of Foxhole? I'm gonna cash over here. Baron of Foxhole, don't ask me. Today's the wrong day to ask me. I'm just here like, good question. It could be going low. Good question. Bob's Bob. No, not quite. Just missed. Like you said, let's see if we get some more volume going. Just missed the 50% there. This could retest slightly. It's nearly tapped into the order block on ES. Could get a little bit more of a retest here. There's SMT now if it holds. Top level support. Effort to move down from shorts. Interesting. So Cameron, that's telling you that this could now start pushing bullish, right? Oh my gosh. Nah. Solid push down. There we go. These wicks are quite good. Okay. Okie dokie. Thursday equals sell. Always? No, it's not always. Didn't hold, have to wait for something else. Here we go. Winning! Well, winning! Yeah, see, that's not ideal in the middle of a bob level. It could come and retest it though slightly if we get rid of all the rest of it. Regards to it lining up there. Higher volume node, the only problem is this further up. This extra low volume node, this might not dip as much as you want to see it dip. Interesting, what does this look like on the 5-minute now? Okay. 1 minute. Sorry, I know I'm doing a whole lot of talking. Made a little bit of a shelf at that change of character. We're gonna get the breakers. Well, not really a change of character. Dom, you still feeling longs? Yeah, 7 end up selling. Why do I flip to the 5-minute to get more confirmations on the higher time frame? Sweet and simple. Confirmations here. Solid. Oh, okay. I'm feeling generous today. I'll get you an instant, but what do you mean, JP? Wait, Dom, so you're still going long? Did you post the trade in our general chat? Oh, you did. Here we go. Okay. Interesting. Bull's getting ready. Maybe arrogance or confidence. I'm holding to 24400. Okay, well, wait. Soldier Boy, out of curiosity, why that level? Also, is yours is your stop loss in green, so it doesn't matter. Tradeify? How about Tradeify, JP? Not sure. 69, what's up, baddie? Well, you called me a baddie, now you're a baddie right there. How you doing? I can give one away. I believe 15 minutes and 1 hour. Very interesting. If that wig and that here, don't trade after there. Oh shoot! An hour's up. There goes the hour. Bob to Bob's a low-key irrelevant now. Very interesting. That zone made that massive upside, so price is coming up. Oh! Are you willing to hold like a swing trade type of thing, or me? Not so much. Buyers coming. Damn, Dom, how big is your stop loss? Good grief. Hey, Andrew. How you doing? Well, I don't use Dom. Okay, so Dom thinks the buyers are coming. Soldier still wants to see this go down. This is going to be very interesting. We're about to have a fight here. Stop loss trailing, okay. Oh no, this might be where I die. Okay, no, we're alive. We're okay. We're okay. Anyone buy and sell the question? Wait, no, good. What's up, Penny? How you doing? I'm just natural. I am a baddie. How am I a baddie? I mean, I'll take it. I feel like it's a compliment. I don't know why, but I'll take it. One, two, three. Theoretically, but let's see here. Demont, I really haven't. This one wouldn't have tagged me in. This was the only trade I theoretically would have missed. This one didn't tag me in. That one would have been a loss. I've missed one trade. Even then, did it come all the way back up? Oh, it did, yeah. I missed one trade. Inventory is not full, they might I'm selling on trap them. Thank you. Andrew, market is definitely bearish for now. Oh no. Does anything allow to gift? That doesn't sound right. I'm pretty sure they said you can gift it. I spoke to Traderbuy. Give me a second. Let me send a message on the Discord. Wait, I'm asking here. Also, I see that someone used my code. Shout out to whoever used my code. Mad love on Traderfy. You guys are awesome. Yes, what about that? I think he was tapped into 4-hour gap now. Bullish or bearish, guys. You sinners, poor people. Not really. Well, I am short now. Awesome. Go NQ, go. Can I copy your trade? I don't know if you want to. I mean, you can if you want to, but yeah. Let's see. Waiting for a response. Oh. Is this a W? This might be a W forming. Sit. Getting responses, yeah? So now I can't touch it either way. Oh, wait. So Joy of Travel, you're short now. But now you can't touch it either way, win or lose. Ooh, interesting. What? What are you talking about? Ninja, check email, Discord, hope it helps you. Ooh, Debbie, what's happening with Ninja? JP, I'm assuming you purchased it already, right? Now long, too many trapped shorts. Let's see. I'm waiting. This is job patient. But Dom, again, where's your stop loss at? Let me actually just send a message. Problem solved. Oh, I spelled wrong. Oh, I spelled like a chop. Yeah, oh, there we go. Okay. I think I'm just looking to get long in the next 15 minutes. Candle. I wanted to respect the previous bottom work. Out of my 2, 4, 6, 7, 4. Interesting. I'm gonna go test them now, so that I'm wrecked for the day. Ninja, no! Ninja, what happened? Tell me. Talk to me, what happened, Ninja? Tell me your woes. Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me. So that sounds like I'm being super nosy. Okay. We're gonna make bank and start a hedge fund. Ninja, you are so funny. For those of you with balls and big accounts, I'll be releasing my silver level indicators. Dude, it will be free. Damn, Bob, you are feeling very generous, can I just say? But seriously, Ninja, what happened? What happened that you got wrecked for the day? Kenneth, what up? Most my strats failed and took me to... Oh no, Ninja, I'm so sorry. What the heck, man? I see we have lost volume. Volume has left the building. Damn, that song's now stuck in my head. Ooh, sorry, I've had that open the whole time. I apologize. That's very annoying. This looks like this could potentially start buying. Hands off, wait for confirmation. Hands off, wait for confirmation. But this does low-key... How's this look on the 5-minute, actually? Woo! Look at that beautiful doji forming right there. Okay, that is a 5-minute doji and a half, if you ask me. Let's see what we get here. Let me check the 5-minute here. What does this look like with regards to potential Nitsudeki? What do I trade? I'm on the Nasdaq futures. What's that? Can't pull me in, Q. Thank you. Thanks, Debbie. I'm gonna have a look now. How to get a girlfriend? Oh, Firefox, I can't help you with that one. Never tried to get a girlfriend myself, so sorry. I'm not much help with that one, am I? This gonna be confirmation? This really does look like a W for Cool, it's officially in the first time my account is in drawdown, which sucks, but the last 2 weeks of my strats straight to Ninja, you know me and you relate to that very, very much. You know that we both relate to that. It's okay. What, this setup? What, a potential buy? Whoop. That was a good rejection off of there. Oh, here we go. Holy engulfing candle. Wow. Whoa! NQ, calm down. I wasn't ready. Bro. Tapped in there. Wait. Oh my gosh. What on the NQ just happened? Seriously. Seriously. Wow. It told me what? You said it was a beautiful setup, but wouldn't have come to tag me in. Cameron, you're in too? Nice. Am I trading? I'm actually on the 1 minute right now. Please describe what dropped it. So I'm just looking at this going, it's gonna go back down to bob level. With that wick off of it like that. Let's see if it does. If it does, seriously, if I'm just nailing it with the damn... Oh, look, it's going bob to bob. I really need to just start trading bob to bob, screw it. Let's see, I like that wick. Oh, it's just if it then breaks below. To bob. No freaking way, man. I cannot believe it. Hey, what's up, Psycho Ty? How are you doing? Too much strength, yep. One order stop. No, Soldier Boy! Use my bob to bob setting and you can thank me later. But wait, Louis. Aren't you just using those on gold? And trade up in the 40-degree weather. My brains are deep fried from Fire Tail Mountain. Faulty Vero, what's up? I would have been cooked in a minute flat. Literally, I would have been cooked in a minute flat. I actually can't believe that. Saw that, I was like, here we go. B to B. Sorting this out here. Let's see how this now looks here. About like around 20 degrees with this. So I can't imagine 35. You melt in 20 degrees. Debbie, in 20 degrees I'm low-key cold. They're interchangeable between both gold and M&Q. That's interesting. So it's at different levels to these? Louis? Because these are definitely different lengths to the gold. I know that one for a fact. I thought she was old enough to be my mom. She thought that I'm 20. Ninja? How old are you? How old are you? Trading, not about believing. What do you mean? Hey, Pick Shovel, what's up? Ooh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Okay. So you've been using it on MNQ now, and? How are you finding it? Well, I'm assuming well, right? I wouldn't recommend if it didn't work. I mean, that's valid. But I think I'll be killing this. Come on, 5. Ninja, you know, I low-key want to put you in a, like, 1-minute timeout just for doing that. Dark Angel, what's up? How's it going? I'm done. Oh no, Karen, what happened? Did it take you out? Ooh. Did it really take you out? That's rude. Oh no, Wick. Now this is gonna keep going down. I'm actually low-key convinced that this is gonna keep going down now. I don't think it's gonna go that far up though. Actually, maybe it will. There's that low volume node right there. Two no wicks. Multimirror, you still think there's a long now? I'm actually not convinced about longs now anymore. I kind of was with this formation that happened, but now I think sellers are actually not letting buyers take over. Took that out. These need to be taken out, and so does that. Yeah, literally. I know it's taken out a bunch of sell-side liquidity, though. I am aware of that. This could be a mistake, but... looking at that, looking at that, looking at that. How does it look on ES? Okay, it has to retrace a whole lot more on ES though. 1 hour chart, there's too much volume building at that level. Someone's absorbing. Interesting. 20 degrees is a heat wave. Oh my gosh. Were you? I put you in a timeout. Who was it then? Oh no! I'm sorry, Dark Angel, but that's okay. You hear me, NQ? I'm not afraid. That is hilarious. 1 hour chance. Rar move. I'm still Rar, Robocop. I still think Rars are gonna be taking control. Do I use the MACD? I do not. Why the pop cans are not going up the value of the pop cans and... Wow, clearly you're not from South Africa. I was like, pop cans? Pop cans? Are they like, is that a band? Oh, I just felt so old. I was like, that must be a band. I've never heard of this band before. Who are they? Whoa. Might want to come take out 50% of this wick, actually. The thing is, I think if it does go bearish, it's going to do it one last time to take out this and this. And that's it. And then we might see it just skyrocket. It's just what I suspect though, so you know. Pop can. Ninja, what did you learn that was interesting today? Lay some knowledge on us. What did you learn? Still think this one might want to be tested. Specs these little random low volume nodes better. Okay. 2. Okay, really? Why? Oh, Wi-Fi is freaking out. Oh no. Oh no, okay, clearly Wi-Fi is going. You're done. Network. Oh, cheers, Dark Angel. Yeah, that was the key price. I was showing a lot of passive orders. I know. There's one thing I'm looking at that I think it might want to go take out the people thinking it's about to go long, and then... Okay, and Ninja, what did you learn? No, don't worry, Multimiro. Dumb. Louis, that's rude. Here's Louis just calling me dumb.
Emotional damage.
Absolutely disgusting. Just saying. Like I said, I think if it takes out these two levels right here, then it could start to go back up. But it's low-key stucketh. Yeah, I'm also... Debbie, me and you are both waiting to hear what Ninja has to say. I am genuinely curious. Let's see what happens here. Capture to that volume imbalance. Look for rejection off of there. Oh, it's basically lunchtime. Volume's about to properly dry up now. Properly. Dagnabbit. It doesn't exist. There's something called empty auction market theory. Kind of goes with VP, you know, put up, but by definition, it's not the same thing. You explain, use. Okay, Ninja, you've piqued my curiosity. No, but I use auction market theory. That I use AMT. I am super intrigued, Ninja. Okay. Hey, Young Cray, what's up? I'm writing a new song today called Rar and Moo. I love it. Louis, do you use AI to write these songs or do you actually write them? Just out of curiosity. Let the wombat scream if it taps 24400 deal. Ah, here we go to take out those levels. Freaking knew it. Good rejection offer there. Ooh. Let's see. That's so far. I don't think it's going to happen now. Good grief. Hey, Louis, what's up? Chiretso? Hi. Come on. I'm convinced it doesn't want to work. Let's do this. Okay, kind of looks like we've lost volume now, hey? Alex, go short. Okay, there's that one level I was waiting for it to take out. Here's the next at 593. Come on. You can do it. 593. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Actually, I haven't even checked to see what it looks like on the 5-minute chart right now. And Charles. Be ready tomorrow, Wombat. Deal, Soldier Boy. Wait, let me mark this out. Boom! There's that other level I wanted to see it take out. Oh my gosh, I wonder if this is gonna go bob to bob again. If it does, that is insane. Struggle to break above. Good wick. Wicked. Down. This would be the next. Sorry, I wanted to draw out for 24400. Like on the dot. I'm gonna have to extend this a lot for tomorrow. Oh no, it won't let me. No, okay, well. Oh no, okay, it's skewed, doesn't matter. Ah, wait, it hasn't taken it out yet on ES. It's about to take it out now on ES. There's no wick candles, man. That's very interesting. Bob Silver levels is live for ticker SIL. Oh, Javar, it just, there was a big engulfing and trading view had a little bit of a glitch, but yeah, you can see there's a minute here that's missing. The 10 a.m. candle was just a massive engulfing candle. There was a candle there. The way it explains that market has two states, fair value and value seeking. Okay. Consolidation and expansion. And flows between dense volume nodes. Interesting. Huh. Where did you go and look this up, Ninja? Out of curiosity. Because market auction theory is technically just to do with premium and discount. That's about it. And a green thing! Oh, that is awesome! I'm so proud. So that had me more confused. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Oh, Ninja, you know what? I gotcha. I'm here to make your life confusing. Waiting to see if it rejects properly off of here and closes below this wick or not. No, maybe not. That was a decent wick though. I'm curious. Let's see, I swear the second I set these things up, it kind of goes meh. Yeah. I'm curious about something. Well, not the best R to R wise, but still. Rejecting off, rejecting off. I'm not taking it. Like I said, curiosity is getting the best of me. We have SMT with MTK, the Russell. Okay. So Cameron, now you think it's going to start flying up. But are you not done for today, Cameron? No? Yes? Maybe? No? Yes. Maybe. I thought you were done for today. Still rejecting. Damn, sellers are just not allowing the buyers to take any shape or form of control. triple damn rejection off of there. Let's see if it does solidly respect it. Curious to see if it does go down. Loki at a bit of a deciding point right now. Fire's in the shadow now. Let's see. Hey, Adsmore, what's up? Just heard me signal saying China winning AI race. If that's true, a global reset will happen without a doubt. Will cause biggest market crash ever. Debbie, that's low-key terrifying. That's interesting, Ninja. I mean, is it not kind of like the charts in general? Everyone has a bit of a different definition of what it is. Okay, what about, and Ninja, if you look up premium and discount. How about that? Maybe that's better. Premium and discount. Because we have completely lost any volatility right now. All the go-go juice is gone. Look, go-go juice went bye-bye. Keeps retesting. Damn, still struggling to break below, but not quite being able to break above here. Dusty also short. Nice. Price won't move. Nope, it's just stuck there. How to identify a girl being... What? Balance to imbalance, balance simple. Premium and discount is completely different. Martino, explain. Oh, next, please stop. Also, I'm gonna have to put you on a timeout. Malty says it's a long and something is cooking. I'm long. We can't both be right. Hey, is it Thomas? What's up? How you doing? Rejection, rejection, rejection. Huh. Interesting. Alex, trust me. And Sanager, that is definitely not a long setup. Okay, what makes you say that? Oh wait, it's definitely not a long setup. Oh, the debates today are juicy. I see we are in that 50-50 debate area right now, where half think this is going to go short and half think this is going to go long. Interesting. Good, even though I lost 2 times today, and that's going to be my last trade on that front. Thomas, I'm sorry. It's okay though. What's up, John? Ninja, I hear you. I understand, Peter. Don't you? But yeah, I'm always curious to deep dive any topic. No, Ninja, I also find this quite interesting. If the next candle is red, we're in the green, Alex. That is awesome. That figure is going to drift lower. Look at the volume. Wait, juicier than yesterday's ICT debate. Who knows? Maybe. That's alright. Up to the next one. I like that. I'm lucky trying to figure out a way to optimize your strategy. Oh, Ninja, interesting. At this point, I think just bob to bob levels all the way to damn go. Because really, seriously. Okay, we're in this little bit of a zone here. Let's see how it reacts. Mm-hmm. Decent, not bad, not bad. Low highs, bottom. Alex, how much do I put in each trade? It depends. Interesting. More terrifying for the West more than the rest. What was my confluence for that short? Oh, Thomas, no, seriously, this one literally was bob level rejection. Bob to bob. Literally the only reason I didn't take it was because you gotta respect the man that created the bob levels, and the man that created the bob levels said you do not trade bob levels after New York has been open for an hour. Boom. That's it. That's my reasoning for not taking it. But doesn't mean I'm still not curious about it, right? See if it would have worked with these rejections that happened here, and especially this rejection off of the top of that bob level. Because those seem to work really well. When there's a rejection off of there, it's proper. I mean, that's what happened here. Well, twice times here, actually, twice times. Okay, now took out all of the candles with no wicks. Oh, there's Beans on Toast saying ICT doesn't work. Ah, there we go. I'm not in this, Soldier Boy. Before you're getting excited, I'm not in this. Ethan, what's a bob level? These shaded areas right here, those be bob levels. Look at this wick. That is insanity. That's what that is. Pure insanity. I didn't even clock that wick on the damn 5 minute. That was insane. Let's see how this would have worked out. I guess it tapped into that low volume node there, but not quite as much as you would want to have seen. Like I said, my two main points of interest were kind of taken. These two candles that had no wicks. I have been kind of fixated on those two these past 2 days. Aww. 510 lead jealousy makes you so nasty. Maybe one day when you're big you'll be cool. Need to break to 571 minute demand and it'll leak hard. Interesting. I will retire my whole bloodline.
Emotional damage.
That is a very interesting username right there, if I do say so myself. Good grief. To me, around the levels, it's never gonna feel like you own. So take the most instinctive entries, wrap them in some art, and back to your sit till you're confident. How do you get bob levels? Ah, well that right there is some secret sauce. You can get the bob levels on gold and silver, but MNQ is hush hush. For now, it's secret sauce. Okay, decent rejection off of there. Okay. Volume kind of looks like it's gone right now. Wait, 4 to 6 weeks and remember me. Okay. Oh, hey Vishal, what's up? Alpha against the market. I like that. Ninja, I like that. This is why we wait for volume. Whoop. Seriously, what is it even rejecting off of right now? Is there a low volume node here? Oh, there is two. Look at that. Rejecting right off of that low volume node. But it keeps retesting it in the same breath. Okay, I think we might actually just end up being Chop City until the PM session right now. But thanks, Alex. Martino, that sounds terrifying. Baseline touch points will be also great for confidence, but targeting old 4-hour pivots is what made me money. Interesting. Huh, okay, but I do believe volume is now dead. Okay, so I know I didn't take a trade today. Whatever. We move on. Theoretically, yeah, actually, theoretically, I had one missed trade here. Everything else, that wouldn't have tagged me in. That would have been a stop loss. That didn't tag me in. Actually, I didn't miss any trades. I don't know why I'm beating myself up. I missed bob to bob levels, but bob to bob levels are actually not my strategy. They're just something I'm kind of forward testing in my mind right now. But theoretically, the only trade that I missed came here. This was the only trade that was a missed trade. Everything else either would have been a loss or didn't come back up to get me. Like this one, oopsie daisies, there we go. This one I really, really liked, but whoops, I pressed the wrong thing. It missed me by a tick. You can see if I zoom it missed me by a tick. This wouldn't have come to get me in. If I'd followed the range down, that would have hit my stop loss. Damn. That I had set up, it didn't come to tag me in. Nothing else was an A+ setup. Oh, good grief. Here I'm beating myself up because I didn't take any trades, but there were no trades to be taken. That's interesting. Is that nose? Oh no, it's a nose ring. I do have a nose ring. Yeah. Yeah, I do have a nose ring. That is just a birthmark though. I do have a little birthmark there. I was actually right for once on the analysis. Amazing. I think trading is 10% technical and 10% fundamental, 30% psychological, and 50% execution. Ooh, Soldier Boy, I like that. Why can't... Oh, why can I watch you live just over shorts? What do you mean, Hassan? Use a higher time frame narrative or just lower time? Ethan, I do top to bottom analysis, and I do sometimes get confirmations from the 5 and 15 minute as well. Yeah. But yeah, when I start my day, I trade both London and New York session. When I start my day, I start from the daily and I go through daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, down to the 1 minute. So I do top to bottom analysis. And then when I get into trades, I do check the higher time frames for confirmation, but I tend to then watch the 1 minute. And so to 6, it's a simple 25 point stop and 50 point TP. I'm literally copy pasting that because I'm curious now. I'm curious, Ninja. You've piqued my curiosity. Davey, I'll check now. I would think up we go. John, I mean, it's hit this bit of resistance. This might be where it does go up. You're not wrong. Oh, sorry, SMC. Hey, World of Lux, what's up? Like I said, I think the volume's now dried up. Maybe the PM session will give some, like, chef's kiss type of things. Unfortunately, not for me right now. Hey, maybe we're going to stop moving. Let's see. But like I said, I actually don't know why I was beating myself up. There was one potential trade I could have taken today. Everything else either did not tag me in or would have been a loss. I say there would have only been one loss, but everything else didn't come and tag me in by like a point, which is rude. So, sell 5. Okay, I was low-key beating myself up, but looking at the chart now, I'm like, oh, no. See, sometimes it's good to take a step back and realize that actually, it's fine. So, I love you guys madly. I'm going to call it then for today. I think the volume's kind of dried up. Maybe the PM session will bring some juicy stuff. I will see when I come back on tomorrow. But I will be back London and New York session tomorrow for Friday the 13th. Hopefully it doesn't bring some scary trades. Anyways, because it is Friday the 13th. Just saying. Anywho, I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow. Trade safe if you're still trading. There is a Discord if you want to join. And yeah, if you guys want discounts, you can use my code. If not, me. I love you guys. Bye.